In this video, I will show you step by step how to apply your e-visit visa Armenia online. So go to this website, as you can see here, friends, and then choose apply for a visa. From here to check your eligibility, write your document type, choose your documents type. From here, choose your country. After that, click next. When you click next, you should be write your all information, such your personal information, your passport number, your male or female, your date, your surname, and the middle name, your date, birthday. After that, choose your countries and your birthday, your contact information in Armenia. After that, friends, click next. When you choose next here, you will see write your price from here, pay this 8 USD. This is the price, and then click proceed your payments or checkout. So friends, just click check travel your documents, choose your documents from here, choose your issues or countries, and then write your all information from your e-visa. This is all information, and then click apply next, and then you will see this price and pay this price. So friends, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you on another video.